You know, a Lockheed executive said that there's nothing you haven't seen on Star Trek that we haven't already done or are working on or decided it wasn't worth it. You know, jet engines that you see on those beautiful modern planes that we have now, that's 90-year-old technology. POTUS is number 15 on the classified list because POTUS is considered a temporary employee. So that means there's 14 other people that have a higher classification than the President of the United States. And, you know, the first interstellar object that came into our solar system was Oumuamua in the fall of 2017. And you can't imagine the shockwaves that sent through the corridors and halls of the Pentagon because they don't know what it is and they have no control over it. And something else I just wanted to reiterate again, I do not believe that former President Trump had coronavirus. What I have determined in my own viewpoint and looking at things where, you know, black is white and white is black, you know, looking through the looking glass there, that there was probably an unintentional event that happened somewhere in the world, and they had to get a hold on it fast. And the White House has too many leaks, and with all the stories going on about the COVID and all of that, so they just went over to Bethesda Naval Hospital and handled the situation from there. And the image that I'm going to have here is one of an anomaly on Mars. You'll find it most interesting. It's excellent. I will also include the NASA link to it so that you can make an evaluation for yourself. As I've said before, I see what I see, you see what you see. And with that, we will see you in the next clip.